Lumen5 is a powerful tool that transforms blogs and long-form articles into captivating social videos. Designed for creators, marketers, and educators, it offers a seamless way to create professional-looking videos without any prior editing experience. Lumen5's standout features include a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, built-in branding options, and a library of animated text and background music. These elements ensure your videos are not only visually appealing, but also consistent with your brand identity. The platform automatically selects key points from your text, making it easy to highlight important information. This automation saves time and effort, allowing you to focus on crafting engaging narratives. The intuitive design of Lumen5 makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill level. Its straightforward interface allows users to quickly assemble videos, making it ideal for those who need to produce content rapidly. The simplicity of the platform ensures that even beginners can create high-quality videos effortlessly. Lumen5 is perfect for marketers looking to repurpose blog content or solo creators needing quick YouTube and LinkedIn videos. Its adaptability across various platforms ensures your content reaches a wider audience, enhancing your digital presence. In summary, Lumen5 is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to create engaging, professional videos efficiently. Its features and ease of use make it a top choice for content creators.